Are you tired of dealing with frustrating errors when trying to upload files to OneDrive? Have you ever encountered the dreaded failed to upload message, leaving you wondering what went wrong? You're not alone. You're not alone. In this video, we'll dive into the common causes behind this error and provide a step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to troubleshoot and fix the issue, ensuring your files are safely stored in OneDrive. So, why does the fail to upload error occur in the first place? There are several reasons, but don't worry, we'll break them down into simple, easy to understand concepts. Firstly, it's essential to understand that OneDrive is a cloud-based storage service that relies on internet connectivity to function correctly. If your internet connection is unstable or slow, it can cause issues during the upload process. Think of it like trying to send an email with a weak Wi-Fi signal. It just won't go through. Another common culprit behind this error is file size limitations. OneDrive has specific restrictions on the maximum file size you can upload at one time. If your file exceeds these limits, you'll encounter the failed to upload message. It's like trying to fit a large puzzle piece into a small space. It just won't fit. Corrupted or damaged files are another common reason for this error. Sometimes files can become corrupted during transfer or storage, making them unreadable by OneDrive. This is similar to trying to open a broken zip file. It's unusable until you fix the issue. Lastly, conflicts with other applications or background processes can also cause this error. It's like having too many programs running simultaneously on your computer, causing them to clash and malfunction. Now that we've identified some of the primary causes, let's move on to how to resolve them. To summarize, here are the essential points to remember. Check your internet connection for stability and speed. Ensure your file size is within OneDrive's limitations. Verify that your files are not corrupted or damaged. Close any conflicting applications or background processes. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to resolving the failed to upload error and successfully storing your files in OneDrive. That's it for today's video. We hope this explanation has helped you understand the common causes behind the failed to upload error and how to resolve them. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on troubleshooting and resolving common errors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.